I have felt a need to serve and help people since my earliest childhood memories. When I was very young, I started working at funeral homes here in the Jasper area. After many years of working in funeral homes, I went to embalming school, became a licensed funeral director and embalmer. I opened my own funeral home here in Jasper in 2001. In 2004, I ran and was elected as the county coroner here at Pickens County. My years' experience as a county coroner, I was able to work with law enforcement on death investigations and was called upon to testify in many cases over the years. A case that I was working that was a wrongful death claim, I was able to work with an attorney that became my hero. It was our relationship in working through that case and seeing how he was able to continue to help this family after my job was done. And that's what inspired me to go to law school, so I would be able to do the same thing. At Roper Injury Law, we serve Georgians from Blue Ridge to Atlanta. We specialize in personal injury and wrongful death. What sets us apart from other personal injury firms, I believe, is our compassion. We take this very personal. We're a small firm, but yet we're capable of representing big cases. We combine our legal knowledge with our compassion to give families and clients the best legal representation they can possibly have.
November 25th of 2020, I was driving home. It was rainy, and I was maybe a minute out from my house, and a man came into my lane and hit me head on. When he hit me, I blacked out and I didn't come to until after the vehicle had stopped. Right after the accident, it was very hard being in a lot of pain and trying to return to work. I knew right then and there, as someone who works full-time in a medical practice, trying to be on the phone all day long dealing with insurance company and getting things taken care of was going to be very hard. I needed somebody to fight for me. I found Kevin Roper. I knew that he would be the right person to help me fight for my case and help me get everything settled in a good, timely manner. Roper Injury Law, they supported me. They were always prompt with emails and communication. They were there to fight for me and fight to get this case handled. When I finally got that information as far as my vehicle being paid off and the medical bills being paid for, it was the relief of debt being taken off of you. Anybody who is going through situations like I did, I advise them to reach out to Roper Injury Law to handle their case and to fight for them.
Being able to serve families during the worst days of their lives gave me the understanding and the compassion to show our clients what they need to get through what's the worst day of their lives. It's being able to be an advocate, to fight for them, but also give them the love and support that they need during the process. I want clients out there to know that if you're in need of legal assistance, don't ever hesitate to call us. Nobody should ever have to walk through this process alone with uncertainties of not knowing what they should be doing. Here at Roper Injury Law, we're here to listen and to help guide you on your next step toward healing.